Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from your beloved channel Linguamid, and this is actually part 2 of our topic, which is question articles. And here I prepared also 3 very important question articles for you, so concentrate and let's start right now. Emta, ليه and ايه. Okay, so emta, ليه, ايه. These 3 very important question articles in spoken Egyptian are really very useful to learn, because you will actually hear them a lot when you are talking with people and in the different daily situations everywhere. So they are very important. Okay, so emta, ليه and ايه, we will learn how they are written in Arabic and what are the meaning of them actually in English. So we will start learning all this one by one. So keep watching and let's start the first one. The first article is emta. Emta is when. Okay, when in English. So when you say when, we say in spoken Egyptian emta. Okay, emta. And emta actually came from Modern Standard Arabic mata. Mata. So mata in Modern Standard Arabic, we just changed it, Egyptians, and we said emta instead. Instead of mata, we say emta. Okay, so I prepared a small sentence or small phrase for this. If you want to say, for example, when shall we talk? When shall we talk? We say امتى هنتكلم. امتى هنتكلم. هنتكلم, actually this is a verb in the future. That's why it starts with ha. Okay, ha. It's something that's called the H future tense of the spoken Egyptian, because all the future tense start with ha. Okay, امتى هنتكلم. امتى هنتكلم. And نتكلم is that we talk, the derivation of talk but with we. Okay, هنتكلم, the simple present, we talk. So يتكلم is the verb, and the نتكلم is we talk, we, the derivation with we, نتكلم. Instead of يتكلم, he talks, we talk, نتكلم. Okay, so for example, امتى هنتكلم, it means that when shall we talk. You can see that we add when, the article, at the beginning of the phrase, at the start of the phrase, and then followed by the verb directly. So امتى هنتكلم, and here the verb comes in the future, as I told you. That's why it starts with ha. امتى هنتكلم. امتى هنتكلم. Second important article is إيه. إيه, and إيه in Egyptian is what. Okay, what. We say simply إيه. إيه. That's why when you talk with an Egyptian, for example, and you said something and he or she didn't listen carefully or just missed the word, she will say إيه. إيه. Okay, and sometimes we say instead نعم. نعم instead of إيه. Okay, but إيه in Egyptian is what. Okay, and from it came إيه ده, what is this, one of the most important phrases. إيه ده, what is this. Okay, AD, what is this, but for female. So إيه ده for male, AD for female. And we have, for example, a phrase here which is اسمك إيه. اسمك إيه, or إيه اسمك, but we say اسمك إيه in spoken Egyptian actually more common. What's your name? What's your name? Here اسم is the name and the ك is your. Okay, which is the pronoun ك. Okay, you, your. اسمك إيه. Okay, your name. اسمك is your name, and then إيه is what. So you say your name what, literally. So اسمك إيه. اسمك إيه. I also remind you to register for free in my 100% free Egyptian Arabic 101 course. This is a course that I prepared to give you a background in Egyptian dialect. Okay, so make sure to sign up in the course. You will find the sign up link in the first comment and also in the description box below. The third one is very similar to A, but we say, instead of A, we say ليه. Okay, ليه, and ليه is why. Okay, why. ليه. ليه. When you say something happened and you didn't want it to happen, ليه كده. Why this. ليه كده. ليه كده. And ليه كده, why this, simply. Okay, why this happened. So you just say ليه كده. ليه كده. So ليه is why, okay, why, and ليه is just the version, the Egyptian version of the spoken Egyptian version of لما or لماذا in modern standard Arabic. So we say ليه simply, ليه. We don't say لما, we don't say لماذا. These are modern standard Arabic, but we say ليه, okay. ليه كده, كده ليه, ليه كده. Why this like this? Why this happened like this? So ليه كده.
Also, don't forget to support me by sending me special thanks.
So these were the 3 phrases. Very easy. Okay, very easy. We learned امتى, when, okay, when. So instead of متى, we say امتى. And we learned ايه, which is what. Okay, ايه ده. And we learned also ليه, why. Why, okay, ليه كده, why this, okay. Very simple phrases. Just go one by one and try it with your friends. Try to apply them in the daily situation. You'll find them really, really easy. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. A basic course give you the fundamentals and background information about spoken Egyptian. You will find the enrollment link in the first comment and also in the description box below. Find also in the description box many resources, my website and all this, my blog. Go there and explore. You will find it really interesting and useful. And also don't forget to share this episode with your friends if you like it. And if you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in a future episode.